So, you're thinking about investing your money. You don't know where, you don't know how much. Take a look at this video, it's going to tell you everything you need to know. So you're thinking about where to invest and you can't decide between London or the north. Take a listen to these hints and tips. Because the reality is, the first thing to say is there's no perfect city. You're going to have companies that tell you that's where you need to go or this is what you need to invest in, but it truly depends on your strategy, your aims, your ambitions, and of course the price that you pay for your property. If you're getting the property 20% below market value in London, rather than paying market value in the north, then of course London is the way to go. But for the purposes of this video, we're going to assume that everything is equal and you're paying market value. If you are, the north easily outperforms the south and for sure outperforms London. So if you look at the screen now, you can see the figures taken over from July 2023 and over the last 12 months, and the northwest has increased in value while London has fallen. Add on to that the purchase costs. For example, the fact that you're paying more for your property in London means you have higher costs such as legal fees, service charge, ground rent, but the big one is stamp duty. Now let's take stamp duty on its own. If you've got £750,000 to invest, you've got a choice. You either buy 3 properties in Manchester at £250 each, or 1 in London for the full £750. Now assuming that you're a UK citizen and this is your second home, stamp duty on the Manchester properties is going to total at £22,500. However, in London, you're going to be paying £47,500. That's actually £25,000 more in stamp duty costs alone. That's your first year's rent gone. Add on to this the fact that you're putting all your eggs in one basket in London rather than diversifying over a few properties. You can safely say that when comparing London to the north, then the savvy investors are all choosing the north.